language enthusiasts, welcome back to BNC Academy, the go to destination for language learning tips and tricks. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into a topic that often leaves learners puzzled: English tenses. Sounds good, right? So, today we are bringing you a special conversation between two friends, Sita and Geetha, discussing the significance of mastering English tenses. So, learning tenses can be a game changer, adding depth and precision to your language skills. So, before we jump into the conversation, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our language related content. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Alright, let's join Sita and Geetha in their enlightening chat about why understanding tenses is a must have skill for effective communication. So, over to Sita and Geetha.
Hey Geeta, I've been thinking about improving my English skills lately, and someone mentioned the importance of learning tenses. What are your thoughts on that?
Oh, Sita. Learning tenses is indeed crucial for effective communication. They help convey the timing of actions, and it's like having a roadmap for your conversations.
Really? How does it make a difference?
Well, imagine you're telling a story. Using the right tense not only makes it more interesting but also helps your listeners understand when things happened. It adds clarity and precision to your narrative.
Oh, I see. Can you give me an example?
Sure. Let's say you went on a vacation. You could say, last summer, I visited Paris. The past tense here makes it clear that the trip happened in the past. Without tenses, your listener might be confused about when it took place.
That makes sense. But there are so many tenses, how do you keep track?
True, it might seem overwhelming at first. But as you practice, it becomes second nature. Each tense serves a specific purpose. For instance, the present continuous, like I am studying, indicates an action happening right now.
So, it's not just about the past?
Exactly. Tenses cover past, present, and future. For example, the future perfect, by next year, I will have completed my degree, helps you talk about future accomplishments.
I guess it adds depth to your language.
Absolutely. It's like painting a vivid picture with words. Tenses allow you to express not just what happened, but when, for how long, and even what might happen.
I never realized it was so important. Where do you think is the best place to start?
Start with the basics. Master simple past, present, and future tenses. As you become comfortable, delve into the perfect and continuous aspects. Practice with conversations, stories, and essays. It'll become a valuable skill in no time.
Thank you, Geeta. I'm excited to start learning and using tenses in my everyday conversations.
You're welcome, Sita. It's a journey, but it's worth it. Happy learning.
Wasn't that an insightful conversation? Yes. Learning English tenses opens up a world of possibilities in your language journey. If you enjoyed this conversation, be sure to share it with your fellow language enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more language tips and engaging conversations right here on BNC Academy. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of language. This is BNC Academy signing off.